Oh my God, y'all, I cannot believe this happened. So I was doing something cute with this wig, right? Blue and orange. But baby, when I tell you she turned into a science experiment real quick, y'all just wait till you see what happened to this wig.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros what it
Welcome back to my channel, Bookie Loves. So you already know I love pushing wigs to the limit, and today was supposed to be an easy 613 transformation using a door dye. Baby, I don't know what happened. We used sunrise orange and literally safari blue. It was a whole vision in my mind, baby. A whole vision. And it was vibrant, it was bold, and it was like a real cute moment, y'all. But child, this wig had another mind of its own, okay? The dye did not stick like it should have. The colors started to mix, and suddenly we had a green in the mix, okay? Baby, that's not what we was going for, okay? But you know me, we gonna make it work and we gonna tweak it as is. Y'all, this transformation was literally a snip in the bud. Like, it was that quick. It was not a hassle except for the middle of the wig. I don't know what it was about the middle of the wig. It must have been over processed. It must got too much bleach on it. I don't know, but y'all, when I tell you, you see more blonde than you see orange. You see more green than you see, you see more blonde than you see green. Like, it should not be like that. And literally, the wig was so beautiful. I got so many compliments on it. But the fact that it did not take, that was a downfall for me, y'all. But the lace, it melted phenomenally into the scalp, y'all, baby. It laid like it was supposed to. As long as you do the stuff that you're supposed to make sure that lace laid like it's supposed to, okay? Period. So as y'all see me, baby, I'm going around the earpiece and I'm cutting all the ear tabs off. Make sure that you cut every piece of that ear tab off, baby, because when I say that it hurts, if you keep it on your ear, it hurts, okay? So make sure you get all of that off. No unnecessary leave on, period. So take all that off. And once you take all that off, we leave our band on for at least an hour to, we're going to say 15 minutes to an hour, because you can't do it from an hour to 15, okay? Period. So we leave our band on for 15 minutes to an hour, and after that, we go in and we cut the lace. Period. Once we cut the lace, it's literally supposed to glide across for you. In this case, I had so much glue packed up there, y'all. That's what dried. And when I tried to pull up, because that's not where I wanted my lace to lay, it pretty much left the little leftover of the glue that I had when I laid the wig down. So make sure you be mindful of where you want to lay your wig and how much glue you are putting on your wig, because it makes a difference, okay? As you can see, it's just gliding through on the other side, but it wouldn't do that on the opposite side. So yeah, make sure you be mindful of how much glue you put down. And in this scenario, y'all, we going in with the Dola hair glue. We have been using her for a while, baby. She is a doozy, okay? She lays my wigs down. She keep them on literally for a month. I do that process twice, and then I go in with my Ruby Kisses, as you already know, my famous Ruby Kisses, and I go around the edge line to get all that little white demarcation off, period. We're going to lay them baby hairs, we're going to make that style, and then we're going to do what it do. Keep on watching to the end, y'all. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you loving this video, and I already know you loving this color, so go ahead and give me a comment in the comment section.
Spider web sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just...
Baby, everybody knows that these baby hairs is my doggone enemy. They give me the Grow Sisters, okay? We go hand in hand, but baby, at the end of the day, we come together and we hold hands, okay? Baby, they become my best friend, period. And with that being said, baby, this is the final install, the final look, the final slay, the final baddie. Yes, it was an epic fail to a slay, okay? Don't play with her. Don't play with me. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.